Yes, I got $100. Yeah. Hi, I'm Anna. I moved to America with poor English and I want to buy myself a house. And today is day 2 of my challenge. I'm earning money for my down payment by playing the crypto game Mindstone. A lot of people recommend trying the Aviator strategy. In short, it's a game where you place bets in cryptocurrency and try to cash out before the multiplier drops to zero. On the one hand, you really can make money fast, but on the other hand, it's very easy to lose your entire deposit. There isn't much stability there and the risks are too high. Personally, I much prefer getting free USDT through the Mindstone game. Yeah, everything is simple and more reliable here, and withdrawing money feels much less stressful. I've already seen for myself that the method really works, and I'm happy to share my experience with you. Listen carefully. Right now, I'm going to clearly show you step by step how I managed to earn $100 just by playing the crypto game Mindstone. Everything is completely honestly from the game itself to withdrawing the money. So don't scroll away, it's going to be interesting. Watch how I'm buying myself a house. House in America, it's my dream. Right now on the screen I'm showing you how I play the Mindstone game, which is super easy game. Is bringing my good money right now, and every day using the martingale strategy I play small bets and play whenever I want. So I no, I want to top up my game wallet and show you how I win my $100. I especially use small bets because it's safer and more stable, so I can play several times a day. I am showing you the game in more detail. You can check my previous videos, there are screen recordings there. Today I didn't want to overcomplicate things. I want a bit lazy, honestly, so I just recorded the quickly for you. It's my second day of the challenge, and I want to show you what I'm doing. I house in the USA won't buy itself, so I need to make money somehow. No, here you need to set up the game. I'm showing your everything on screen. Pause and watch careful so you don't make mistakes, because the setup too important. Yeah. Now the bot gives you hints. You just choose the chaos that the bot shows you. That means there are no bombs in those chaos, and the bot guarantees it. That's the advantage of these bots, because in the regular Mindstone game you'll hit bombs and lose money. Oh, sorry. Okay. But here you get 5 crystal and you can double your profit. So the bot gave me 5 crystal, and now I go into the milestone game and click those exact chaos. Sometimes girls lacks a bit, but that happens. I just load it. Now I'm placing in the $50 bet. Yeah. Okay, so oh my god. Also, oh yeah, it's okay, okay. Okay. Wow. Let's see. So, oh, oh my god, yeah, it's my money, yeah. Whew. Now I'll show you how I withdraw my $100 in my wallet. It's actually very simple. I always withdraw in USDT, but you can see in crypto. I go to my Trust wallet and copy my wallet address and make sure everything is correct. Yeah, now is the moment of trust again. Okay, when will the money arrive? Yeah, no, yeah. Yeah, my money. Yeah, I got $100. Yeah, every time I'm so happy when I win. I really enjoy it. Yeah, oh my god, I'm so happy.